We run. My new bitch look like Tyler Berry.
Returning subscriber, thank you so much. So vandaag I'm gonna be packing some of the clothes that I won't be needing anymore because they're too small, and I feel like I've been wearing them like so many times. So I'm gonna pack them in a bag and I'm gonna give them away. So my closet is a bit messy, so please no judgment, okay? And I don't have a lot of clothes, guys. And look at that cute bird. I don't have many clothes, so I'm just a girl. We all know that. Always. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey guys, the drawing. So I just finished making lunch for myself. I was eating strawberries, pineapples, and raspberries. Right now I'm about to go to CVS to pick up some stuff, and then I'm gonna see if I can find some foundation for my face, because my shade I cannot find it on Walmart. So I'm gonna go to CVS and see if I can find my shade. So come along, let's go together. Hope you're doing good. You guys, it's so nice out today. To CVS, and still I couldn't find my foundation 350 Maybelline, so I guess I just have to use 322, which I was looking for 330. Here's what it is. To pack them. So these are the clothes that I need to.
Pretty and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch?
Okay, guys, I just came back from CVS, and then like outside is so nice and hot, so I'm just gonna grab like my coloring book, maybe my diary as well. Maybe I'm gonna practice like a little bit of Korean, and then maybe I'm gonna like color a little bit. I'm just gonna stay at the park for like an hour 30 minutes. So I'm back. You guys, my lips are so black, but I'm working on them. I've been biting my lips. So I came back to get my stuff, and then I'm gonna leave. Like, I'm hungry, but I don't know what to eat, but I'm hungry. I hope that makes sense. So let me get my stuff so that I can leave without wasting any time.
Find something worth saving. It's all worth taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturday. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturday. I'll be better on Saturday. None of this matters.
Like ini menyama semua. Hi. Why get us? Because get better get busy. Okay, want to want me, my people. I just arrived at the lake, so I'm gonna take first loop around, and I'm just gonna sit by the chair, and then color or write something. And let me show you how the view looks, guys. It's so cute. It's so pretty. It's cute. I'm eating. Excuse me. I'm eating food. I'm hungry, but not hungry. So I'm gonna walk around the lake, and then I'm gonna find a chair and sit there, and then start coloring and doing my meditation. So nice, guys, today. The breeze is so nice. The sun is out. The birds are singing. The fishes are swimming. But before I start walking, let me show you the lake, how it looks. So over there, that's where people swim, and over to the side, I'm sure you cannot see because of the trees, obviously. There's like chairs where people sit down. Maybe when I walk out, I'll show you guys. So right now, this is me. I'm about to take my walk. Guys, this is a very nice area. It's so calm for me, especially because I'm so shy. Oh my god. So since I'm vlogging and walking by myself, I can like talk while I vlog. Guys, you see? See, guys, it's so beautiful. You know what I mean, mate? We also have this tiny mini library here. There's a person swimming in the lake, and there's fishes. I see also people. Oh, okay. So anyways, I was saying, I know you're the one. I know what time I come. I see it in my, I feel it in my shoes. I feel you in my presence. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. And I think it's time finding the best situation from the bus. Guys, when are you fish? I get a little you burn, and now look at the fishes. They're so cute. There's no fishes. Fishy, fishy. I have some treat for you. Fishy, fish.
You got me open, I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me open,
I'll be working on and okay. Guys, this is what I'll be doing with my coloring book, and then my crayons and everything, and then this is my view. So right now I'm just gonna start coloring, relax for like an hour, 30 minutes or so. Oh, this is so refreshing. Oh my god. I think I can get used to this sort of thing, relaxation. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Like I'm really loving it. But I didn't see some fishes, which I'm really like, because I was so excited for the fishes. But oh well, it is what it is. Guys, you won't believe it. You won't believe finally fishes are here.